Upon successful registration, the user can install the Capture app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store by searching for Capture. Further, the user can log into the app using his credentials generated from CONSTRA. Upon logging into the mobile app, the user can view all the projects they have access to. Note that the user cannot create new tours from the mobile app. New tours can be created only from the CONSTRA web application. The user needs to click on the project for which he wants to collect the data. Once you have entered the project to be captured, select the required tour and tower from the drop-downs, as shown. After selecting the tour and tower, click the download button for the particular tower. This will download the floor plan of that tower. You will then see a pop-up, and upon accepting the dialog, all the uploaded floor plans for the selected tower will be downloaded, and therefore will be available for offline usage without an internet connection. The floor plan is now available on the phone. Please note, if data capture has been done previously for the same tour, the user will also be able to see points of previous data capture in gray as shown. The system displays all the captured points as gray circles with numbers on the floor plan indicating where the previous capture details, if any, had taken place. The capture points give an idea as to where to start the data capture process. If the current capture is the first week, no capture points will be visible. Align the camera in the same direction that you are holding your mobile phone. Consider the back of the camera as the side which faces you, having buttons and the visual screen for viewing the controls. The front of the camera is the other side. Before capturing the 360 photos, always hold your phone in the same direction as the front of the camera as shown. If you are using helmet-mounted setup, then the front of the camera and the phone should be aligned similarly. Above step is crucial to get all the photos to automatically align on the final walkthrough that is generated. Hence, all 360 photos should be captured with camera and mobile phone aligned in the same direction. Now, walk to the point on the floor plan where you want to capture the 360 image. On long press of any certain location on the floor plan, a request to connect to the 360 camera is provided. Connect the camera to Wi-Fi by clicking on Wi-Fi settings, as shown. Currently supported camera is the Insta360 One X2. Select Insta360 Wi-Fi and connect the app to the camera. It will be named in a similar format. Connecting to Insta360 Wi-Fi disconnects you from external internet and connects your phone to the Insta360 camera. This enables you to take 360 photos through your phone. Long press the corresponding point on the floor plan. Upon a long press of a point on the floor plan, a 360 image is captured and gets available for review. The image is mapped to the chosen location and a marker gets available with the respective photo number on the floor plan, as shown. Do not move from the place till the image is captured and the blue icon is displayed on the screen. This will avoid blurriness and distortions caused due to moving camera. The user can also review the image to check if the captured image is fine. At any point during the capture, on a single tap of the blue marker, the image can be reviewed or deleted from the floor plan. If you run out of storage space while capturing, the app will notify you. In completing the capture process over the entire floor plan, the next step is to process these images. If you choose to exit without processing, the app will prompt you. Click Yes to exit, or No to stay on the same page. Click on Process Walkthrough button. This process is a background process and doesn't require the app to be open. The current progress can be tracked using the live push notifications. If you get stuck at any point during the process, click the Cancel button and the app will ask you if you want to publish manually. Select Publish Manually or Ignore. After the images are processed for all the floors, the images need to be published to CONSTRA. This step requires external internet. Connection with the Insta360 Wi-Fi should be removed at this stage. This can be done by switching off the Insta360 camera. After the phone is connected to external internet either through mobile data or through Wi-Fi, on the main screen, click on Publish Tours. Once the data is published, you will see a green tick mark next to the tour. Now the data is successfully published and ready to be viewed on CONSTRA web app.